Hi guys, welcome back to Josh Roach's Review. Today we are reviewing this steak and cheese. It's Eat and Go and it's £2.49. That's what we are reviewing. And it's from Aldi. I've seen other YouTubers do this one. And we're gonna see what it's like with steak and cheese. So, this is what we'll see what it's like. I'm gonna have to cook it for about 2 minutes, and I'll be back in 2 minutes. Wait, this is gonna be cooked all nice. Thank you. I'm gonna be back in 2 minutes. Hi guys, I am reviewing today's this. This is the Aldi one. As you probably know, this is the Aldi one. And there, I've cooked it in the microwave for about I think 6 minutes there. Hey. And what we're going to do is cut it and see what it's like. Okay. I've seen other people review it. So we're going to see. Right, let's just chop this bit. Right. Okay. It's from Aldi, so it might not be the best. So go. Aldi is one of the best markets, so it should be good. There. It's beef or cheese. Right, let me try the cheese. I'm trying it, don't we? It's okay. Try it again. But like I said, there's not much onions in. Really, basically. You might not see it, the camera's not facing it. There. Well. What I think about it. It's got your flavour. It's very soggy when I popped it in the microwave for 7 minutes, 6 minutes. It's very soggy. Then, okay. I mean, you put your there from Aldi through. There, that's what it is. There, Aldi. Not bad. Tasty. Not because it's an Aldi name, not right. I don't hate it because it's an Aldi name. It's just a bit soggy, which is a bit disappointing. Guys, comment below, do you think it's worth the price? £2, .49. Do you think it's worth the price? £2.49. £2.49. That's not £2.49. £2.49. Do you think it's worth it? Comment below. Well, I don't think so. Not got much flavour, to be honest, in it, guys. But it's not that much onions. But salt, peppers, and onions. I have to say, now in my opinion, I don't think it's worth the money. Because, I think you can get better in that. There's not much flavour in it, not much flavour cheese. You can get better for your money. I know it's Aldi. Guys, I'm not sure about if it's worth the money. It's not. It's quite expensive for what you pay for one sandwich. Cheese and that. Quite expensive. Like, would I have it again? I would. But maybe I wouldn't. No. You might think I'm moaning all the time, but I think there needs to be a bit more seasoning in it, basically. Bit more seasoning in it. Bit more. I'm gonna give it about a 7. I think about maybe a 7, yeah. It's not bad, but maybe I would have it again because it's not much flavour in it. So guys, it's not worth the money. It's not I don't recommend you to get it. It's not worth your money. But if you are a food reviewer, go for it. Go review it. Because this is just tells. This gets people to not buy it. That is not. It's great in the middle. It's not much seasoning, guys. So guys, I don't recommend it. I don't recommend it. But I'm not moaning, I don't recommend it. Because it's not much flavour in it. All there is meat, peppers and onions. That's really all, and cheese. You don't get much cheese. The cheese is plain. It's not much cheese. It's not much flavour of the cheese. So guys, I wouldn't have it again. Now I changed my mind, but it's bland plain cheese. It's not for me. But guys, yeah, that's my snack. So look, it's not for my lunch. Not for my dinner. Thank you, guys. Please hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you next time for next review.